Hello, hello, my friends. Testing, testing. One, two, three. All right, we are live right now. Let's go. Ah, how's the market right now? Let's see. Texas, okay. See, Perry. I don't think this is done yet. NXPI looks quite good though. Okay, let's continue on. Very side RCL Kavana Boeing nothing. Dell nothing. S ear. Okay, earnings coming soon next Tuesday. Net not done yet. Wow. FTNT. Wow. This dumb, my god. Okay, nice. Wow. FTNT. Oh, this dumb is a lot though. Here to here. That's like 23% for FTNT. My goodness. Crazy man. 23% dumb, really? UAL nothing. A firm going up nicely. Upstart. Okay, this one is after the earnings already, so okay. CCL not. Okay, LMD also gone now. HIMS. Okay, after earnings also dumping. Mara. Okay. Mara is as support, so I have to see what it does. Snow. Nothing here. Okay, Snow is... What is Snow doing? Snow. How about Sophie? Sophie, not too sure what is it doing. Riot, nothing. BORR. Marvel. Marvel is also as support. 15 minutes. Okay, Marvel maybe can keep a lookout. VST nothing. Fiverr. Zoom. ADI. ASML. Nothing here. Okay, Hood. How about Hood? Hood is still going up. EL. Okay, need some consolidation before buying. DDOG. Wow, nice earnings. Going up. PD. LLY. One moment. Let me stop at something that I can remember. Okay, TTD. Earnings tonight, is it? Yes, today after market close. LLY. Wow, YLLY is earnings. Okay. Yep, after earnings it starts to dump daily. Yeah, just be prepared. Possibly, I think can go down to about 640. Yeah, so for now, yeah, I think the best thing is to stay out for a while. Because after earnings, right, usually I like to stay out for at least a few days and then I see what it does. Okay, let me scan through the bottom of my watch list. Let's see what do we have. Figma, okay. DD, nothing. CE, nothing. Can short, you can try, if there's a setup for you. Because for me, I don't have though. Yeah, for me, usually after earnings, I like to leave it out for a while and then I see what it does first. Okay, APA. Not bad. ARW nothing. Hive also nothing. How many more minutes are until okay, 3 more minutes until market open. Stone X, nothing. Wing. What setups do we have today? Let's see. Tron Call with. Okay. Okay, not bad. Circles finally showing some sign of strength. But then there's earnings next Tuesday, so I have to be a bit more careful. UMAC. Earnings next Wednesday. SMR. Wow, Celsius is also nice. After earnings, fly up so much though. This is like how many percent? I think should be about 10 or 20. 20%. Wow, nice. Fast. Okay, I will lock in my accounts and then I want to see whether I still got margin to buy anything or not. Eh? Eh? Why so weird? Okay, correct. Nvidia. Okay. I only left with a little bit of margin. My god. HSI still doing really well though. I like it. 2800. Yeah, recently I just added, some long-term investment into 2800. Not bad, not bad. Slight profit. Baba is okay. Futu, Futu is also okay. TCOM possibly might be going already. Okay, the dollar index is coming down again. Yes, today like not a lot of people, huh? It's okay lah. Uh, I'll just continue to do, Then after that, if really nothing to do, then I end a little bit earlier lor. Hey, are you in Japan already, Hazel? I think you're there already lah. Go and enjoy your holiday, my friend. Don't have you inside airport. Okay. 1 a.m. Oh, okay. Very smart. Can sleep on your flight. Then after that, when you wake up, you're in Japan already. Your flight 1 a.m. You inside airport now. Shouldn't you be at the airport like 12? 12 a.m. is like the latest though. Normally for me, I go there very, very, very last minute. Though even if I have kids also, I go there very last minute. 1 hour before the flight time, then I reach there. For Singapore airport, you can do that, huh? But some other countries, you don't do that. Some other countries, their check-in is so super duper long. You hungry? Okay, can. Okay lah, you went into the VIP lounge, is it? They always give it to me though, but then I never go and try before lah. I like to go there too last minute now. Because you know why, and if I go there too early, ask me to sit for a long time. Then after that, I go and take a flight, go and sit down again. Well, I cannot. I really cannot. I prefer, to walk around. Then after that, the moment I take my flight, I just sit for the few hours. Then okay, that's it. Enough. Only got laksa. Why so bad though? I can't. I really can't. Our OX wife. Fantastic. Sui yo. What? Nice lah. Nice treat. Fuyo. Today is good ho. Everything green. OXY going liao. Fantastic. Thank you, Hazel, for, finding such a nice treat. Thank you, my friend. Fuyo. Can enjoy good holiday now, huh? Okay, not bad. At least, our positions are all in profit. Good job. Wait. JPM, how's the JPM doing? Everything is flying. Okay, JPM. Dumb, please. Dumb. The rest is good. Okay, I took Nvidia too, right? Okay. Lucky I took Nvidia. Nice. AMD is also looking not bad. Oh, your Apple is still strong. Nice. Very strong. Showing a lot of signs of rejection. Amazon, go. Don't stop anymore. AMAT. QCOM, okay. TSM. Wow, wasted. This TSM really wasted. Super duper wasted. Such a nice profit. Yesterday should have booked some, huh? Then we can secure a little bit better than taking the break even. BLX still okay. Just now there was one stock that dumped really a lot. Is it LLY? No, not LLY. Just now I saw one that dumped crazily a lot that time. What stock is that? My god, I forget again. Let me scroll through. No, not this. Maybe can do a day trade though. I forget what stock is that. Oh, FTNT. FTNT. Fuyo, this stock. My goodness. It dropped 20 over percent. And the last I measured, I think was about 23%. So it closed here. Right now, it dropped roughly 25%. Congratulations. 25%. Possibly, I can do a quick scalp though. Now what time? 9:36. Let's see. FTNT. Yeah, I also don't have much margin already. 25% dump. Okay, it's at support. Yeah, but then this will be quite high risk though. I'm not too sure whether it will be a good entry or not. But then my plan, is to just to buy a little bit for the recovery, and then I'm out already. Let me see, if I buy this much, it's very, very small size only. Like this is like day trade for me. Yeah, I can only buy one position for day trade. I ran out of margin, my friends. Yeah, the only one that I think that is a really, really quick scalp, so you get in and out like super duper quickly. Don't even think about making a lot of money from this trade. Yeah, just be careful. You need to wait the best case. If you can, try to wait for about 2 days, 3 days. This one dumped quite a lot. BLX. Okay, Palantir still very good. This Palantir is crazy, man. My goodness. Okay, Nvidia going up, good. SPY looks pretty good. 5 minutes, not bad. Apple, fantastic. Amazon, fantastic. Fuyo. Everything is going up. Berkshire. Wow, nice. Recover already so fast. Okay, that's fast. Not bad. Yeah, maybe something to watch out for. Likely by next week it should be ready. AMU XYZ. Hello, Rick. Nice to see you again. You want to do something crazy or not? Really, really crazy, huh? FT&T. Possibly, right? You can, possibly just maybe buy right now to see if any recovery or not. This stock, dumped 25% already after earnings. So don't know whether you'll get any recovery. So it's like I also not too sure though. Yeah, I think there's a lot of downgrades for FT&T. A lot of BMO Capital, Morgan Stanley, and this one key something, I also don't know what's that. A lot of people downgrade, FT&T. That's why possibly that's the reason why it dropped so much. Yeah, they downgrade the target price to 78 to $90 around there. Yeah, Hazel, if you want, there's one very, very aggressive trade because FT&T, right, just dumped 25%. 25% after earnings. So if you want, can do a day trade, just put the stop loss right under here a little bit, see whether it recovers or not. Yes, we are safe. We are very, very safe. It's good, man. Oh, our OXY fired off. Phew. Good lah. Good. Yes, BTC I saw it going up. It's at that resistance really, but I do think that likely is breaking out because the way it's developing, right? Where is my Coinbase? Never mind. Let's go back. Yeah, possibly. I think this time around it might be breaking out already. Yeah, the consolidation is nice. So possibly MSTR, Coinbase, Riot. Riot, I'm not too sure. Let's see, Riot. Possibly might have a trade. BTM. Oh, BTM looks good. But then earnings next Tuesday when market open, forget about it. I think Coinbase or MSTR should be fine. Yeah, Rick, you going to buy Bitcoin or not? Are you buying Bitcoin? Oh, ETH fire off. Nice. Oh, really? Cannot buy, huh? If not, you use some other broker lah. Use Binance. What's that? I got one broker. A friend recommended. What was that? Crypto.com. Amazon is nice though. Oh, nice. Amazon. Okay, I'll wait for a little bit, maybe about 10 plus. I see what Amazon is doing. Possibly, right, we can take some partial profits. Yes, yes, going to DP, don't waste the profit. Wow, the TSM, I really like. Damn, one is to 2 point something, I think the highest I saw. Because this account, right, yeah, no choice. Sometimes, this type of news come, we also can't do anything. Lah. Oh, Hazel, if you want, right, you can TP, take some partial profit for Amazon, like maybe 30%, 50% around there. Because SPY, right, SPY broke this high already. It broke this high already. So I need to see consolidation. Without the consolidation, I still think likely there's one more leg to the downside. So to be on the safer side, I think, yeah, that's why I want to monitor for another 30 minutes or so. And then I want to see what it does. If it's not very strong, possibly I might try to might try to book 50%. Yeah, because there will be more chance for us to enter. Yeah, it won't go up in a straight line. There will be pullbacks in between. But then because of SPY broke this high. It broke this high already, which is a little bit scary. You know, right? It can be a complex B wave, and then there might be one more wave going down. Yeah, but if SPY can hold here, that will be fantastic. And one more thing we have to keep a lookout is also VIX. VIX is also coming back down. So possibly, right? The room for upside, I also think is quite limited. See, Meta is also coming down. Google coming down quite hard. Microsoft as well. Oracle also. Netflix, okay. Yeah, the one that's holding up quite well is Apple and Amazon today. AMD, okay. Nvidia, not bad, went up a little. Tesla, not too sure what is it doing. Need more information first. It's Amazon. Amazon, I don't want to waste the profit, so I want to actively monitor it. Rick, normal, okay? A lot of times I also got that, a few months ago I also got, I remember, I think it was Google, Google out of a sudden, it just decided to commit suicide. I also forget where was it. I think here out of a sudden, I think I buy here or something, very good profit, then suddenly one day just, GG, bye-bye. Yeah, I think it was this dumb. Is it this? I can't remember though. Just suddenly gone. The next day gone already. Yeah, in trading you'll meet a lot of this type of situation, but don't be depressed over it. Getting out of break even is better than if you just go and look at FT&T. Imagine we just go to the 4-hour chart. 4 hours this FT&T if you didn't see the earnings, it dumped 25% though. This one I think likely you won't get triggered lah. Yeah, I think by the time you reach here, you will die so badly. And right now you see, after earnings, it beats earnings, but then no signs of recovery. Is scary though. Yes, you really will. Okay, I can tell you, Rick, you have to prepare. You have to prepare. In trading, there will be those, black swan event out of a sudden, right? The next day when you wake up, it just get through everything. The last one for me was last year, August. It was the yen carry trade. Yeah, so I had some position, then after it just kept down. But the loss is still okay. The loss is still okay because after the gap down, right, it straight away recover. So I exit with, a smaller loss rather than something that is huge that time. I remember it was here. Yep, this one. This one. Then out of a sudden, it just gap down like that. SPY just gap down. Then a lot of stock also gap down together. So this is like, this gap, the lowest it went to is about 4%. 4%, then within the next few days, it starts to recover already. 25%. FT&T, let me see. Normally, if we just look at FT&T based on our usual stop loss distance, right? 96 to 71 is about $25. You just divide by $4. How much is that? 8. Yup, this drop, you might lose about 8% if you risk 1% per trade. And then you see now no signs of recovery. Will die badly though. Really will die very, very badly. Yeah, but you need to know, those black swan events, why they are dangerous. Because you maybe have multiple positions. And then, right, when they gap, it's not one stock that gap together, it's all your positions that will gap down together. Some might, get triggered for stop loss, some might not. Oh, Richard, fake I buy already, low. Circles, I'm still waiting for confirmation. No. You won't get instant margin call. Usually those black swan event, right? As long as it's not directly US related, normally they recover quite fast. But then if it's US related, right, it can be quite dangerous. Like tariff like that, Like tariff, that one really hurt badly. But I was lucky, I guess, back then. I don't have any positions. I wanted to short, but also no opportunity to short. It just straight away gap down for the next 3 to 4 days. Every single day, it just gap down. FT&T, I would advise to be careful, okay, because it dumped 25% already and no strength, no signs of recovery. SMCI, okay after earnings right now is recovering a little bit. But I would just warn you, just be a little bit more careful for this stock. You can see, right, the movement is not very nice, not very clear. I have no idea, where it will goes to. I need more data before I can give you a confirmation. Yes, Richard, I bought Fig already. Figma, yes. Yesterday, it was quite low, so I just decided to enter a little bit. But then I got a stop loss. I just put a stop loss at 76. It's a long-term investment. It's an investment for me. So I'm using a cash account. Oh, AMD is nice though. AMD recently keep outperforming NVIDIA, I like it. I always buy AMD. AMD what? What's that? What's that called? CPU. No, Richard. For me, usually this type of stock, I will just use a cash account to buy. Then, okay, but then I did buy on my public account also. I also bought it on my public account. The public account, is for trading. So, I will see what it does. If it, not performing, then maybe I will just take it off already. Amazon, beautiful. I love you, Amazon. Oh, Rick, you just now never enter. Oh, you did. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. Good, 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 good. Fantastic, fantastic. No, it's not my main account. It's a public account lah. I will start another new 100K account also. That one I will show you guys, how I do long-term investment. I just need to wait for, the market to pull back or something. Then I will fund a new 100K account. Not my main account, okay? I prefer to keep my main account a secret, okay? How much you have? That one, someday lah, someday maybe I will show it again. Yeah, if you want to see my performance all that, you can go to my Instagram. My Instagram, I have been posting for a few months already. I don't remember exactly how many months. But year to date, I'm up about 70% right now. Yeah, even during the tariff period, I was down about 10% only. Starbucks and DIO. Starbucks. Well, Starbucks is not very clear to me though. Yeah, Starbucks, I have no idea. Yeah, usually, Starbucks is not a stock that I like to trade because I feel that it moves quite slow. Yeah, I tried a few times, but I feel like, it doesn't fit into my strategy so well. Maybe because I don't have much patience. I don't like to wait. So, yeah, this part, if you want to buy, wait for some consolidation first. DLO. Hey, sorry, I think really, my eyesight is getting worse though. I really cannot see the text. Die liao. Okay, DLO, right? Be careful, my friend. Next Wednesday after market close is earnings. Possibly, I think. It's quite difficult to tell though, but I think there's a higher chance it will spike up instead of down. If not, possibly, not much of a movement. But just be careful lah. Earnings is coming. Oh, you forget to set a alarm for hood. Okay. Hood. It's okay. No risk. You still got margin. If you still have, you can go and look for trades. I only left with like one only that I can do. Possibly, maybe a day trade, and more or less that's about it already. I got really no more margin. Our Amazon is nice though. Your photo never go through. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this Palantir. Amazing. I bought at $86. Where's $86? $86. Oh, 110% now. Fantastic. This Palantir just never slow down. It's crazy, man. TSM still going up. Yes, I bought at 86. Yeah, my long-term investment right now, almost all of them are above 100% ROI. I bought a lot of them, during the the April period. So most of them, right, just go to SPY. SPY, most of my positions I bought right at this low. Even for VOO, I remember I think I bought at 450 or something. 445 or 450 around there. Yeah, just that, right now the market is not tanking. When it tanks again, I want to start a new, 100K investment account. Right now, buying any stock for investment, I don't think is quite worth it lah. Oh, your Apple flying again lah. Wow, Apple, congratulations, nice. Fantastic fantastic. Yeah, because in my group, I teach everything from day trading, swing trading, position trading to long-term investment. Is a coverage of everything. So, you won't be so stressed about the market. You can make money when it starts to dump. And so you can do like trading all that. Then, when the market dump quite badly, you can actually do like long-term investment. Because the long-term investment, you just put it there. Imagine, you just go and buy a stock for maybe 2,000, 5,000 or something. Within a short, like right now, about how many months? 4 months, about 100% ROI for most of your investment. I think it's worth it. You don't really have to care so much. Just use a cash account, then just put it there. This sleeping giant, wait 1 million years to wake up. Which sleeping giant? Oh, Apple. I know you are talking about Apple. Hey, do you feel very hot today? Like extremely hot that kind. Today my house, the water is like burning that type. Not really. In the last few days, I think it's fine, right? Today when I open my tap, I want to wash my bowl. I got a shock. Wow, why so hot? Yeah, this morning especially when I woke up, then my TSM gone. Yeah, it's really me lah. I'm very used to swing trading, you know. Uh, I normally hold my positions for quite a while. So you can see, right, even my long-term investments, some of them 100% ROI, and you see I'm still holding it. Like that day, someone also asked me about Palantir. Tell me, I think it was maybe this candle or something. Is it this? I think this should be this or this. Either one of it. I think this one. They were so worried. Palantir, after earnings will dump. But then for me, okay lah, just hold it. Because we also really don't know whether SPY will really do that correction that I think that it will be doing or not. So sometimes, just shift your stop loss. Yes, got pros and cons. Tesla, possibly a good trade coming soon. I'm also not too sure, why. Okay, I can only tell you through experience. August and September, usually they are very, very difficult to trade. Like maybe you see one green day, one red day, maybe 2 red days, then 1 green day, if not 2 green day, 3 red days, something like that. It'll be very, very choppy. So I'm actively, monitoring Amazon. I don't want to give back too much profit. I think Amazon's not bad. We just book some profit, okay, for Amazon. I look at SPY. I'm also not too sure what it's going to do. And right now it's about 30 minutes in already. I think we can book some partial profits. I just close 50%. Don't waste it, okay, guys? Then I'm also going to shift my stop loss. I will shift it to 220.6. Where's Amazon? Oi, go up a little bit more. My god. No, not bad, not bad. Today up about 2% around there. Don't FOMO. And you add in this from even worse. Huh? What you mean? What FOMO? Who FOMO? I FOMO or you FOMO? Okay, wow, our position is nice, right? Me FOMO. Why I FOMO? What did I do, my friends? You say go out a bit after you sold. Okay. This one you know what to do. I already sold liao. Yes, you ain't Donald Trump. Wow, he's another bomb. Really, really another bomb. You say 224, I think. Okay. You sell everything or you sell half? I sell half. No worries, okay? Okay, half okay lah, half okay. Half is okay. The other half, just let it go for a little bit. You FOMO for what? You have Apple already. Your Apple like, what? Lao rocket off. Shoo. Bye. It went up how much? This is like almost 10%. QCOM, TSM. It's okay, guys. Okay, we need to be defensive. This month got 1:2 or something. Just quickly book more profit lah. Don't wait liao. Sometimes I look at the market, I also scared. These 2 months is really not very clear. Like, what is it doing? Some is coming down, some is going up. Like this MRK, seriously, I have no idea what is it doing. Also no idea. OSCR. OSCR. I think possibly you can look for long, but then just be careful when it comes to about 17.5. Then after that, I'm not too sure what it will does after that. Just be careful for that. Oh, FTNT. Cherry, I can only say that whatever you do to FTNT right now, uh, possibly you can buy for recovery, but then just be careful. Just be careful because there's no sign of recovery today. Yeah, normally for trading I won't buy, but then if you're doing investment, possibly you can go in maybe half size first or something. When there's a confirmation, then you go in again. AMD I won't short lah. I won't short AMD lah. AMD one of my favorite stock leh. You ask me to short. Or if there's a setup, maybe I will short, but then really not now lah, not now. See, SPY, SPY. That's the thing about SPY. I seriously can't tell whether it's going up or down. Today is Thursday, right? Thursday. Maybe later or tomorrow it will be clearer. Now I seriously have no idea where is it going to go. Actually, I look at this type of market condition. You know what I feel like doing? Just close off everything. Secure that 2% and ciao liao. AMD need to ask Hazel to short. When you say you buy with cash account, what is the time frame you keep it? Richard, for me, right? I just practice what Warren Buffett is doing. So usually he holds for about 6 months to 2 years. That's what I'm doing also. So it's that usually is this time frame. I don't buy and hold for 5 years, 10 years that type because every few months there will be a mini crash, and then every few years there will be a huge crash. So I normally I will only start buying when there's a crash lah. Yeah, crash, something like that. I love it, man. Something like this, possibly, I will start buying. Yeah, almost all my investment is bought during the crash. A mini crash, if not a big one. I will just get in and out, in and out. The usual time frame is, I think, about 6 months to 2 years, around there. But because this time around, why I'm, going to book my profit so soon is because we have a V-shaped recovery. And this V-shaped recovery, I don't think it can go up much longer lah. So possibly a lot of my long-term positions, I'm going to exit off almost everything already. For me, long-term investment, I need to see weakness in the market before I will exit. Yeah, I have a strategy lah. The strategy will give me an early sign that is going for a larger consolidation or something. That's when I will exit. If I don't see that, normally I don't exit. I'll just hold it. Even the Palantir, it can come down here. After that, just do a V-shaped recovery. It's also quite possible because I have been trading Palantir for quite a while. So you can see, Palantir shoo, then it starts to do something like that, like a little bit like a V-shaped recovery. Yeah, because I have, two accounts. So one of it is for trading. The trading one I hold for days to weeks or even max 1 or 2 months. And that's more about it already. Then for long-term investment, it's really investment. Huh? So it's like what Warren Buffett is doing. He buys stocks and then he holds it for a few months to maybe a few years, and that is more or less about it. Like before the tariff, right? I don't know whether y'all got follow him or not. He actually exited a lot of his positions, and then he's sitting on a lot of cash at that point of time. So when I saw that, I told myself I was lucky. A lot of my investment I got out, and then shortly after that, tariff came already. It started to plunge. But then, guys, after this year, we no longer have Warren Buffett lah. He retired now. So things might get a little bit more difficult for investment. Baba looking a bit sus. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I look at HSI. HSI is good though. Yeah, like HSI. I also buy the 2800. So it's the Hong Kong tracker funds. I just entered not too long ago only. About, I think somewhere here I entered. Yeah, so every few months or something, I will definitely, either buy 2800. If not, I buy VO. If not, I buy some stocks. I feel like, SPY is more SaaS. 2800, there's no annual return. Okay, it's something that I would say is more speculative. You are looking at the growth of, the Chinese market or that. There's no history because if you look back, you just look back. Let's say for example, HSI. Well, which one is always the one that I use? Uh, Never mind, we just choose any random one, okay? Yeah, so if you just go up to the weekly chart, let me show you. It has been in this range since I think 2008. So, yeah, so you can see, right, this area after it top here, you have been inside this range since 2008. So, the moment I saw like, STI is moving, I do believe HSI might start to follow along also. That's why I started to invest in it. Yeah, but without seeing what the and partly also uh China, right, after they have their housing bubble, they have crashed for I think about 4 years. It took them about 4 years to recover, if I'm not wrong. And also after that crash, I do believe that you will see signs of recovery. So that's when usually I like to go and buy stocks. Yeah, it's quite long. It's really quite long. I can't remember. I think 3 years or 5 years around there. 3 to 4 years. Yeah, that's why guys, you all stay inside this group for a long time. There will be times, okay? There will be very good opportunity for you to buy stocks. That's why, I always advocate that you have two accounts. One for trading, the other one you use it for investment. Because the investment account, I can tell you, it's super relaxing. I don't log in and look at it every single day. Most of the time, I only log in, either there's a crisis. If not, I want to buy something. This spy, seriously, looks really sus. If spy drop, quite possibly we might see the oil stock going up again. FT and tier. My god, still not recovering. Okay. Rick, interactive broker is very easy. You just log into your client portal, and then somewhere inside the settings there, right, you can create a new account. Also, you can switch around. You can switch your account. You can switch around. Just under, one. Yes, the funds also can transfer over. Yes, correct. So for investment, right, usually for investment, I won't use the money, from my trading account to fund it. What I do is that, for my income, right, I fund into the cash account. Then I always like to stand by at least a few months of cash, and then something like, that time, dollar index, it went to, this area. I told like you guys to, if you want to change money, you can change that day. Remember when it was somewhere here, at the trend line support, I told you guys, hey, if you haven't changed into SGD, haven't changed to USD, just go change. So that time when I changed it over here, I think it's about 1.27 around there. Yes, interactive broker, you can open many accounts. Under one name, you can open as many accounts as you want. I think there's no restriction. Yeah, normally if you want to, since you use interactive broker a lot, you can open a cash account and a margin account together. That would be the best already. My god, CrowdStrike is still dumping. Shopee, no. This spy are really very sus. See, the market is seriously mixed though. Like, some is good, some is not good. Well, it's really difficult to tell the direction. Okay, but most of them as of right now is positive. Well, LLY dropped a lot, I think possibly because of earnings. Finance, not here nor there. Slightly negative. Okay, slightly negative. Okay, next we'll look at net. JPM, how's our JPM? Okay, not bad. Down please. Net. Okay, thank you, Angel. Thank you. I know, Diamond on Trust Wallet. MoonPay under Ascent. Okay. Ken, thank you so much. I will have a look. Duolingo. No lah, not advertisement lah. There's a lot of people they want to gain follower or something. You can ban me? How I can make you? How do I make you the moderator? How to make you moderator? Add moderator. Oh, I can add like. Wait. Confirm. Oh, I can add you as moderator. Nice. Okay, Duolingo, what's that? Add you also. Okay, can I also add you moderator? But do I have to add you guys every single time or what? or only just one time? Oh, DUOL. Oh, nice. It's flying a lot. I have no idea, bro. Why? Oh, earnings lah, earnings. That's why it flew up. Phew, bye bye now. It's earnings, my friend. Bye bye already. If you're inside, congratulations, man. What you looking for when browsing stocks? I look at a lot of things, because I use Elliott wave theory. So Elliott wave theory, I'm trying to understand the corrective structures. So if I do see a corrective structures, that's when right I love it. Because when there's a correction, what comes next is that huge impulse. Okay, that impulsive move that you can start to make money. So I'm always on the lookout for corrective structures. Like just now, there was this stock. What's the ticker again? Hey, my mouse jam again. Stop jam. Don't jam. Wait. Yeah. So just now there was one ticker was DUOL. Hello, brother. CRX. Nice to see you. DUOL. Yeah, normally when I see, the stock fly in one straight line, the moment I see this, I skip now. Don't even bother looking at it. Yeah, I like it when it's in correction mode. Wait, what happened again? Why my mouse so jam? Come on, don't jam. Hello. Ayo, I like that. Okay. Okay. Super duper jam. My mouse is stuck. Why? Why every single time like that? The moment I move to another screen, it jam. Oh, JP Morgan starts to dump already. I also don't know. I went to check. A lot of people, they keep saying that it's because my monitor, the refresh rate is different. Because the main monitor that I use, the refresh rate I think is 240 hertz, and then the second monitor I think is 165. Yeah, I also not too sure. It's always the moment right my mouse goes into the second monitor, that's when it starts to like normally is very fast, nothing happen. I also have no idea, man. When I got time I will bring it to a shop lah. I also want to get it fixed. Yeah, mine, because I like all the white color RGB, like fish tank like that. But normally I off the RGB because sometimes I get headaches. looking at it, like, oh, I cannot. No, once in a while, I will just switch on the RGB, then go and enjoy, and that's it. And also for me, myself, I open a lot of tabs. So right now, I think I have like, my browser has about around 80 tabs. I don't like to, delete them off because of a lot of them are very important things for me to, understand the stock market. Yeah, it takes up a lot of my RAM, really a lot. The 80 tabs take up my RAM like crazy. I lazy I can straight away just mouse over, then after that, I can straight away open all the important stuff out. I did bookmark them also lah, but I'm really lazy. But I'll bring to a shop, then I will go and ask them out. I also have no idea why though. Every single time, it's always whenever my mouse just goes to the second monitor and then it just suddenly lag. But I bought already. I bought exactly the same monitor as my main monitor, but I haven't fixed it up yet. Please help him. He's easy to manipulate. Bastard. Say I easy to manipulate is because I trust you guys. Okay? Hey, you see like Adrian use me for what? Oh, Adrian damn easy to manipulate. Okay. It's okay lah. He recently, is it he very down or something? How come he like MIA? What happened to him? Yes, I know he interviewed, but interview like that 1 or 2 hours only, right? Or interview need to do a lot of prep work, huh? Okay. Not free and easy one. No, I always free and easy though. Like no point, right? A lot of things you go and plan all that, then if the person wants to, memorize all the politically correct answer, what can you do? Wow, Zoom also looks like going down. My god, really, my god. Want to book off everything out. Zoom going down again. Possibly for a short. Hey, my TikTok gonna ban again, is it? How come today like so weird? So little people join. I don't know. I feel like it's being banned or something. Just now I live for about 5 minutes. There's no people coming in though. Normally about 1 minute, 2 minutes, I start to see people joining or that. Possibly maybe I get banned again. But so far I don't see anything. I also not too sure. Not enough likes, huh? Really? Got difference, meh? It's okay lah. I just keep doing it. Slowly gain followers. Okay. What's your main account? What's your main account name? Wait, Figma. What is Figma doing? can. ULTA. Okay, just now, yeah, call with also, starts to have some movement. This ULTA, gone 了 ha. Wow, it was a nice shot though. But it's... Oh, no, earnings is too far away. It's a nice shot. It's a nice shot. You said horizontal bar there. I think you're looking at this as your support, is it? Maybe somewhere around here. This one looks not bad though as a support. Oh, okay, understood. Yeah, sometimes this one is not me, huh? I'm not the one who restrict you, okay? Is TikTok. TikTok is the one that put in the restriction. Sometimes I can't even type on my own live lah. The funny thing, say hi, okay, can. Sometimes I cannot type on my own live. Too far out already. Where do you put though? Oh, okay. Possibly, I think because you look left or something, maybe, you find something like support here. Wait. Yeah, this stock, I think possibly if you go for short, it's really not bad. It's really not bad. Yeah, we go back and look. Wait, we see one more first. Call with. Yep, a little bit of strength, but I need more confirmation. Go back to SPY. Ho. Congratulations. If we see here, yes, call wave is definitely a structure. So we need to wait. Don't kanjong. And look at market. Yeah, this is SPY. Because of SPY, I look at SPY, possibly I think maybe we are still in the complex corrective structure. So even though like the market update video, even though it breaks this high, don't put too much hope into the market yet. So possibly we are doing something a lot more complex. And right now, this is another decision making point. If we get a good confirmation here, we exit all our longs, we go short. Yeah, this month is going to be weird, that type, you will keep changing of direction. If not, right, it's really difficult to trade. But I have no idea whether SPY will hold this area or not. But so far, Tesla looks like it's holding up quite well. NVIDIA also, AMD also. BLK still alright. Apple is definitely holding up well. Amazon need more data. Meta and SPY, it makes no difference. But Google is holding up well. Microsoft, not too sure as of right now. Netflix. Wow, close account. Close account, I don't know can or not, but then we can ask. I think can lah. Usually, broker, they allow you to open account. Usually you can close it also. Shouldn't be much of an issue. Yes, you can. Nah, you have ChatGPT, right? Then you just go to settings, account configuration, and then close account. But before you close, you try to, move all your funds first. But then all this, right, is a little bit leceh because got the T-1, right? So after you close all everything, you still need to wait for, I think, 1 or 2 days later before your funds will be ready to transfer. Stocks. Oh, I have no idea like this. I have never done that before though. Can eh? You can transfer eh? You can. Okay, that's amazing. But then I think recently ChatGPT maybe upgraded their program already. Possibly you can try ChatGPT also. If not, try the Google one. Google one recently they also got a new system. I'm not very good at all this. I just listen to some YouTube or that, some podcasts, and then they are talking about it. I think the Google one is free. Yeah, for me, because I want factual information, the most updated, most factual information, so I use Perplexity. But if you are more into creative work, all that, right, I think likely ChatGPT is better. If you're into creative work, I can tell Perplexity is a little bit stupid, or I don't know how to prompt very well. Yeah, prompting is also a skill. Your English also must be good. So every time before I do something that's more difficult, I always write something, then I ask ChatGPT, ask Perplexity to help me to make my English better. Then I use it as a prompt. Yeah, Google, I think there's a new uh what is that? I don't know what is that called. Is it called OpenAI? I also don't know what's that. Not OpenAI. Google recently just launched something only. What's that thing called? What's the new Google? Why I cannot edit? Okay. What's all this program called? Any idea or not? What's the Google? What's the latest Google one? Got any name, for things like ChatGPT, Perplexity? What is that called? GIPITI. What is that? GIPITI. Hey, no problem, no problem. I just anyhow, go and try. See whether they understand or not. Okay. Possibly might be this. I heard it was quite good though. Wow, $250 per month, really? No. This one is the ultra one. Yeah, I think it's called Google AI Pro. Later on, I find the video. I send it to you. Yeah, you can go and do some research on that. Because mine, right, I forgot. There was someone who my friend. He tell me he got some like those voucher or credit credit or something like that. So he asked me to sign up. So when I sign up 1 year, right, it's only $20. So normally you pay about 1 month for $20, right? So this one is because there was some new launch something, right? So I only paid for $20. Google possibly is going to break out, but then I'm not too sure how much more it can go up though. Yeah, if you want, you can take the trade according to your trading plan. Because SPY is at a level that I have no idea what is it doing. I need more confirmation from SPY before I start to long again. But so far our positions is okay, right? Good, 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 good. Not bad. Okay, just hold it, just hold it. If there's changes, I will let you guys know. Is there any stocks that you are looking at? Today I have time. Because I almost max out my margin, I cannot do anything. RDW. Okay, we come back to APA. RDW. Wow. RDW. It's going to be tough though. I don't know whether this will happen or not, but then I can give you the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, possibly, right? It can come down to about $4. If you see some consolidation here, just be careful. It might dump even lower. Yeah, and after earnings, is there any signs of recovery or not? No signs of recovery, but then this dump is it a lot? It looks quite huge though. Wait, Oh, a lot. It dumped 30%. 30%. Okay, just be careful, bro. 30%, you just monitor for another 2 or 3 days or something, If there's a recovery, possibly you can start to look into it. SOUN. Earnings. Yeah, bro. Yeah, Andrew. Earnings for this stock, likely I won't speculate, This one looks a little bit dangerous though. Yeah, I can't tell whether these earnings it will go up or down because currently I really don't know there's too many ways, right, that the corrective structures can develop. So I can't really tell you, where it will go next. Too much possibility already. BBAI. BBAI still popular. BBAI earnings Monday after market close. BBAI. This one actually looks a lot better though. A lot better than the other two. Yeah, but there's earnings Monday after market close. Hopefully it gap up, then you'll be making money already. Yeah, for me right now, I also don't have a valid setup. QCOM. Yes, what you want to know, Rick? Still holding on to it, praying. Okay, okay. What price do you buy it? Why look like that at the end? No, possibly running flat, Rick? Possibly. But then, because it's spy, spy still don't have that confirmation. Right now, I really have no idea what is it doing here though. I need that confirmation first. If we see some consolidation in this area, possibly right there will be more upside. But if not, possibly spy might dump already. Really starts to dump. It will be quite similar to this part. I think. Wait, I pressed wrongly. Spy. Remember there was a period. I think maybe something like this is a little bit complicated, if not something like that. But I do believe the next correction that comes, if really, really, we start that one more leg down, uh, possibly it might last for a while. Maybe these 2 months or something. August, I would say, is a 70% chance of going down. 30% it might not go anywhere or just like positive. But September is usually the super duper crazy one. September might dump like crazy. Yeah, I also feel like there's downside. But Rick, just go according to our strategy. No rush at all. Really no rush. Yeah, we will definitely get a lot of very, very good opportunity. Just that our current profit, right? I don't want to give back too much only. That's all. But it's nice. Our JP Morgan dumb already. I thought JP Morgan will will hit our stop loss or something. But our stop loss is still quite far away, so we are still quite safe. And then right now it's in profit already. Really, really good. Then previous all-time high, October might got higher due to earnings. Test all-time high here, I'm not too sure whether it will come or not. I will need more data. Likely, I think the earliest also tomorrow or something before I can tell. If not, I think likely is next week already. Especially next week, I think there's earnings again. Where's my economic calendar? Yeah, next week I think it will be a little bit more volatile. You got CPI, PPI, and retail sales. Wow, and the next week PPI, I don't know whether it will be impactful or not. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, because after tariff is implemented all that already, PPI might have some impact to the market. Yeah, you can see, right? Oh, okay, for July. Oh, no, 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 no. This coming PPI, I think nothing much. It's the next one. It's the next one. This month just implemented August, right? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct. So we need to wait until September. Oh, 613. Why need to retest there? Like, any reason? Any reason why must retest 613? Yeah, because I use wave theory. So wave theory, uh, if this is the high, then this will be the high already. Normally, there's a very, very rare chance see it coming back to around this area before it starts to dump. Yeah, maybe possibly, I think maybe you are also using SMC or something. Six one three. Yeah, I have no idea what you're looking at. Okay, guys, I will go to the washroom. I come back shortly, okay? See you shortly. Wow, I just saw a news though. Intel shares dumb because Donald Trump asked him to resign. Oh my god. Intel dumb again, man. Intel. Hi, this Intel. 不争气啊. Sometimes it might take few months. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Look at Spy, my friend. April, May, it went back to retest. April, May. You mean like April, May should be this period? You mean six? Oh, okay. 613. Oh, sorry. My bad. I thought you were talking about, the high over here. No. 613, yes. 613 possible is very possible. It's really possible. I like it. That's why you see I have a red color line here. I put at 615. It's really possible. Yeah, even in alert wave theory, is a very high chance it will go there. Yes, nice. Sorry, I thought you said 631 or something. I thought just now you were talking about this. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, 615 area, definitely. Yeah, I was a bit confused. Like, what are you looking at? Why need to go back and test this high? Yeah, because just now the chat was blocking, so I didn't see that. Yeah, it's really possible. That's why I'm more bearish than bullish. Even SPY right now is going up. I'm still bearish. Nice. Same thing. We are looking at the same thing. Yeah, this line has been here for the longest period of time already. I have not shifted, don't know for how many donkey years. Why? What happened to this Baba again? Yeah, if going to 615, possibly you can go in quite aggressive. Possibly. Yeah, but just be a little bit more careful because I use wave theory. I do think that the next correction that comes, it might go even lower than 615. Just be careful, huh? Because I do think that possibly it might come very close to 600 as well. Yeah, I'm also I'm a swing trader lah. I follow the trend. I don't care whether the market go up or down. Up and down, you can make money both ways, right? You don't have to restrict yourself to only longs. This is my thoughts lah. Yeah, because when I say I started to short the market all that. I received some PM saying that I'm crazy lah, all that. But okay lah, huh? Maybe they never short before, but then if you were to short before, you will understand the fun. It's really fun. Nice. You shorted SPY, got stop loss. Yeah, a few days ago, I also shorted something. Some of them, were in good profit. But then I keep, because I'm very used to holding positions for a while. And then I didn't book my profit long enough. So some of them got break even. Then I think two of them got stop loss or something. You shorted at 615. 615 should be quite long ago though. 615 is long time ago. 635, you shorted at 615, 635 your stop loss. Wow, that's really huge though. That's really huge. Yeah, for me, my stop loss for SPY, most of the time, I think $3 to $5. Yeah, the strategy I use, the stop loss are quite small. So normally the way I trade is, the moment I get in, I need it to fire off as soon as possible. You shorted at 626. 626 still okay. 626 somewhere here. Yeah, back then I also thought that, we are going for a larger consolidation. I sent a very nice chart into the group though. Don't know whether I still can find it or not. If I can find, I can show it to you. This was the part. Wait, what happened to my chart? Yeah, this part. Will I still be able to find the chart or not? Because it's quite a while ago. I sent too much things into the group now. Look at the power of wave theory, guys. Okay, let me put this beside her. Just focus on this area. Just focus on this part. Okay? Let me show you this. Can you see this or not? It's exactly the same thing. So you can see based on my chart, I see that there's one more move down and after that it will spike up, right? So this is the part where you see that spike down, after that it starts to go up. So this is the power of wave theory, which is why, a lot of people come to my live stream, ask me to where's the direction for this and that. It's because I use wave theory. Wave theory, I can do all these forecasts. Yeah, so same thing for SPY right now. I also do think that possibly it can go down to 615 lah. Yeah, previously it broke out already. Broke out of this channel. I also can't remember how did I draw that trend line. Let me go back to that part again. Where is it? This. Yeah, so how to expand? Yeah, so if I expand, right, you can see it broke out of the trend line already previously. But because of wave theory, I also tell them if we see a sharp and fast move coming down to around EMA 20 and 615, I think we are good for more upside. And so I forecast this, then it was really, really awesome. Good trade back then. But right now, these 2 months, I'm also a little bit not too sure where is the real direction, but I do think that it's still down. Yes, I also use EMA 20, yes. It's a very, very popular, indicator. But normally, you don't see me putting on my charts lah. Yeah, because every single thing here, right, all my indicators, I have back tested them long enough that I can tell you I don't need them. More or less, I already know, where the lines likely they are at. So normally I just switch it off. Because alert wave is also my main strategy. So I use alert wave more. I use alert wave to help me to forecast this and that, help me to take trades. The lines are just to give me a rough idea where is the support, something like that. Yes, it's for short-term trend. Correct. Short to mid lah. I think mid-term is also quite good. At least you can hold for a few months. Okay, I look at how SPY is coming down. Make me feel like booking all my profits though. Okay, I scan through the rest of the mega tech first. 1 week for EMA 20. Oh, no. For me, I never changed to 1 week. I do have a lot. Maybe I don't know whether your midterm and my midterm same or not. Because my mid is like maybe more than 2 months, 2 to 6 months range. Then my long term is like 6 months to 2 years max. Yeah, for me, EMA 20 and 50 is like the swing trading for a few days to maybe max 2 months around there. Yeah, so for me, if my midterm, I will use 100 and 200. Long term, maybe I use 300, but 300 is like you need years to even use it once. Okay. Yeah, I also rarely use 300. 300s, I think maybe 2 years, 3 years, you only use it once. Really, that once only. Yeah, 20 to 20, 50, 100 to 200 are the norms. Margin fee, yes, is charged daily. Correct, it's being charged daily. Charged daily, but then the moment you exit, right, that's when they will charge you. As long as you don't exit, right, it will just keep rolling and rolling and rolling. But I think you will be able to see it in your financial statement, the monthly financial or daily financial statement. Yeah, Rick, go and open two account, one cash, one margin. Trust me, you won't be so stressful in trading, because you know that if trading here doesn't make some money for you, but because of your long-term investment, right, easily, you can strike a very, very good balance. Apple is fantastic though. It's holding up really well. I think more upside to go. Yeah, my investment I also buy on pullbacks. Without pullback, normally I don't buy. A lot of them I bought it during the April period. And then that's it already. Until right now, I haven't really add on any positions. Even for VOO, it's the first time for the past I think 8 years or something. The first time in the past 8 years, I have not invested in VOO for 4 months already. It's the very, very first time. Most of the time, it's about 2 months, 3 months, at least one time. But this time around, I think because SPY did a V-shaped recovery, that's why I don't get any opportunity to get in though. Yeah, because of this, this V-shaped recovery is too strong already. There's no pullback, not much pullback. That's why I never invest in VOO. Most of the time back then, I remember 2023, 2024. So 1 year I get in at least about 3 to 4 times. At least I think 4 times. I think last year was even more. Last year I think I got in 6 to 7 times. But right now, 4 months already, I have not added any positions. Yes, correct. I bought VOO at a very, very nice price. I remember I bought 455. VOO. What price did I buy? I remember it was right down here, but I don't remember the price. Let me see. What's the price? Oh, 450. 450. Where's 450? Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm on the 1 hour chart. No wonder. Daily. Yeah, 450 is right down here. My very last investment now. My God, every single time. How come? Why I always, go to the second screen and then it starts to lag. Yeah, 450 is right down here. And that's it. Yeah, I am still waiting. Still waiting for the market to drop lower. Then I can start to invest again. Right now, everything is really too high now. No point getting in right now. Oh, you also invest in VOO. Good job. Good job, my friend. You see, every single time I go to the second monitor, come back, it lags. My God, what happened to my second monitor? Okay, open up everything again. Okay, done. The lag is gone. You like to buy Lips Core. Is it good? So far I have not tried Lips Core before. Yes, Nvidia recently seems like underperforming AMD though. You look at AMD. Yeah, I have not look at IWM. Can. One moment. Every single time I go to the second monitor, then it starts to lag. I seriously need to change out this monitor. IWM, okay? Oh, IWM, okay, IWM, sorry. Hey, IBM. You want IBM? Okay, IBM. IBM. Yes, IBM. I have friends who stuck in IBM for a very, very long time. But right now it is performing better already. Quite juicy to long. Ah. Really? You want to long now? I'm scared though. Yeah, for me, I want to see how Spy is doing first. I will always look at Spy and monitor how is it doing, because usually uh, when Spy is dropping, most of the stocks they go down together. Yeah, I understand what you mean. Oversold, all that. I think you can try to split your positions up. Possibly, right? Let me see. Yeah, possibly. I think it might chop around here for quite a bit before one more leg, then it will start to go. Yes, sometimes most of the time is 70% of the stocks they will all rise together when SPY is rising. Then there's this 30% of them they are just doing their own thing, not going anywhere. If not, is falling. FTNT, what happened to FTNT? Yeah, you see, no signs of recovery. That's why wait for 2 days, 3 days will be the best option. Oh, FIBO 0.618. IWM FIBO 0.618. Let me see, where do you FIB? Okay, I think I need to use the daily chart. Okay, I understand now. Like you FIB here, right? That's why 0.618. Yep, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Good FIB, good FIB, good level. I do think that possibly if IBM doesn't perform, at least I think easily you will see a recovery here first. Yes, I'm still holding to JPM. Yes. I sent in the wrong info earlier. I wanted to close, I think TSM or something. I accidentally clicked on JPM. I'm still in JPM short. Is it performing? Fantastic! Ding 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 ding. Mamma mia! If Spy Dharma, we hold JPM, okay? We hold JPM. Any more financial stock that we can trade or not? How is Visa doing? Yeah, Rick. Every time I look at Visa, I think Visa is a very, very good lesson for you to learn. Why back then, remember, I think we tried to long here, is it? Or here, I can't remember which one is which. And then, remember why I told you it might go into a larger consolidation, which is the very reason what is doing right now. How about Master? Master possibly, another shot. But Master needs to wait for confirmation first. But so far, the consumer defensive, they are very strong. Extremely strong. Like HD, Walmart. Oh, Walmart is the strongest here. Pepsi here. Cola. Wow, Hazel, you steady, huh? Go for holiday, I don't want to go relax. Still on live stream. Cannot shut down. Okay lah, relax a little bit. Just move your stop losses, try to secure profit, then go for a good holiday. This month I'm also not too sure, whether it will be difficult to trade or not. But most of the time it is. Also at there encouraging. I thought your husband also trade. How come he want to eat soft rice? You do better than him. Okay lah, when you know, you can teach him also. Okay, nice. Nice. I think there's the statistics or something. They say that women are better traders than guys. If I'm not wrong, you can go and do some research lah. we try. Okay, we try. I think so leh. It was I think something about the psychological part. Eh? Wait, no this Hazel different They say women trade less frequently than men. I don't think so. Women are generally less overconfident and more cautious. Really? Yeah, it's about the psychological part. I think they are more calm. They can be more objective than guys. I don't know lah. If you are married or something, you will see women do amazing thing though. Like they can go to work, a full-time job, come back, take care of baby, midnight still can wake up, breastfeed the baby, or that the next day go back to work. For guys, I think you punch it there. Ask you to wake up to feed the meal only, you already like half did. The first thing you can think of, I hire helper lah. Because I went through that phase. Wow, it was very tiring, really, really tiring. Like midnight, you wake up to feed the baby is like 2 hours one time though, for the first 2 months. PPL. Why Hazel you don't want to have kids? Kids is fun Really, I look at my baby, she's getting more and more cute. Every day you just want to play with her, spend a lot of time. Okay. I also don't have though, I think. I do help out a little bit lah, but then until she's about 8 months only. But really, when you have kids, your life will change lah. Will change. This like, it's fun lah. You see a baby running around, very cute. Then from cannot even turn their own body until they can turn around, lift up their head. Slowly they starts to crawl, then starts to stand up. Too much commitment. Okay. Can understand. No issues. You're still young, okay? Maybe in the next few years, you still can consider. No lah, male also stress, like when you 40, the egg expire hello. Go adopt. Singapore can adopt meh? I don't know. Singapore got children up for adoption. Like you know the parents really don't want them that time. KKH got lah. Okay. Really ah? What you mean sign off their rights? Oh, got one word is for orphans. Okay. Oh, I really didn't know that though. Sign out their rights as parents. Is this even allowed? I can tell you for sure is that when the baby first born, right, I can tell you I was in a shock that kind because they asked me to go inside the room, right. It was my first child. Then after most of my friends they are married, but then they don't have children, so they cannot share their experience with me. Then when the doctor asked me to go in the room, it was very quick that kind. Like you go in, less than 1 minute, the baby is out already. Suddenly, the very first minute, right, the anesthetist or something, they'll ask you, hey, take out your phone, ready to take a picture when the baby is out. Then, I took a picture already. Shortly after that, I think less than 1 or 2 minutes, they ask you go to the site. And then when you go to the site, the baby is grayish in color. Really like grey color that time. I look at it like it's quite scared though. Then after that, right, the nurse will straight away tell you, okay, right now we are going to count how many fingers the baby have. Wow, inside your heart, my heart sank, I thought like, she only got 8 fingers, 9 fingers. Don't scare me, please. But I think it's the routine. They start 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, next is the toe. Then how many eyes, got ears, got mouth, got ear, all that. Wow, you will be shocked. When they do all the counting, that 1 minute lasts, it feels like maybe 15 minutes or something. Then after I finish, then the nurse will tell you, come follow me, I will bring you to another room. Then you go to that room, I was very confused though. Like I was inside a very small room together with my baby, and I have no idea like what she's doing. She keeps like kicking her leg, then stretching her hands. Then there's no sound coming out. Then I also don't know whether can touch or not. I look very, very confused until the nurse, knock onto my door, right? Then she opened my door, then she tell me, hey, you can hug the baby if you want to. Then I asked her how to hug, how to carry the baby. It was a funny experience. Then that day I was so tired already because I remember morning I went out very, very early. Then in the afternoon, my wife suddenly called me. She tell me, she thinks that the water bag broke. So I rushed back. Then the afternoon, I sent her to the hospital right away. And then she had her surgery about 6 p.m. or something. After everything finished, I think I see her back in the ward maybe about 8 p.m., 9 p.m. I almost knocked out already, Then that day was so rushed that I never bring my portable charger and everything. Midnight, about 1 or 2 a.m., I really cannot take it anymore because the baby is with us, and then she keeps crying. I cannot sleep because, you don't have someone crying beside you before, so I couldn't sleep. Then I just told my wife, I ran out of battery. I just drive home first. I go and take my portable charger. I will come back. The moment I reach home, I take my portable charger. I just tell myself, okay, I rest for 15 minutes. I go out. The moment I rest, the next morning, I only went back to the hospital at 10 a.m. Then the doctor was quite angry though. Then the doctor told me, "You are basket. Your wife just gave birth. Now you go home and sleep." And it's also shag for me. I tell you, it's really, really shag, man. Then I because I don't care anymore. She tell me she's in pain now that I went to hospital. I just parked my car outside the emergency room. After they clamp my car also. But luckily I didn't get fined. So after we went there, it was quite late. When I came back, the car was clamped over there. Then I have to walk one big round, go and find the security, go negotiate with them. Yeah, it was a crazy day for me. But overall, it was a good experience. Lah. I only remember the first 2 months was tough. After that, everything starts to become easy. Can, no problem. I just share with you my experience, okay? So next time you can be more prepared. I think go for C-section is better. I think normal delivery it's painful though. Yes, you all can come and see her. She is very cute. Very cute. Sometimes I look at her like, okay, she's very adorable. So whenever I bring her out, a lot of people will come and say hello to her. Then whenever she sees people, she likes to, give flying kiss. But you cannot touch her. You touch her, she will be scared. You must wait for her to go to you. I choose. I choose. My wife English is not good though. She's from Thailand. If I let her choose my daughter's name, it's going to be, my God. Maybe she will name her Ploy, Fleur, or something. But I want her to have a Thai name also. Waiting for my wife to give her one. She's called Michaela. Michaela. Yeah, the very first day she was born only, my fortune teller messaged me and asked me for, her birth timing, all that. And then uh I also don't know why. I'm not a superstitious person. But then because I'm quite close with this fortune teller, then after that, I think she helped me to look at her birth timing, all that. Then she says she's very, very lucky. Because the day she was born, right, there's only a like 30 minutes period or 30 minutes window where if you're born during that time, she will somehow like, do well in life, a very lucky person, like all the stars are aligned. I don't know whether how true is that lah. But so far I do consider quite lucky. For she's about how many months already? 1 year 5 months. She has not fallen sick a single time. No fever, no cough, no flu, no nothing. So it's quite lucky lah, that part. Even after injection, all that, she she only like tired for that day. The next day she is okay again. She never push. She wants C-sec. C-sec. But C-section is scary. The moment I walk into a theater, you can see one hole over there. It's like, my God, half of my limbs are already go numb now. Then the whole thing just escalates so fast that I don't even have time to breathe. I have no idea what's going on. But now, right now, because she's 1 year, 5 months already, she can starts to talk, starts to walk, all that. It sometimes become a little bit more difficult to take care, especially when they can start to walk. And she walked quite early. Yeah. She walked about when she was about 10 months. 10 months, she started walking very slowly already. And that's when, right, she get into a lot of accidents. She walk, fall down lah, hit her head lah, then drop down from the bed lah, everything. Yes, next time y'all can come and see her. She like to, hang out with a lot of people, but cannot touch her. Hang out okay. Are you all here, married or single? Most of you here. I think a lot of you here should be quite young, right? Okay, PayPal looks like another good shot. It's breaking out soon. Oh, Visa dumb again. My god. Why you need your computer? Actually, Master got a very aggressive trade. UNH, sell. I wouldn't recommend you to sell first. Yeah, I think you wait for at least, it's consolidate a little bit more before I will be interested to sell. Or you are in the short, is it? If you are shorting UNH, I think you are making good profit. So you can definitely hold and see what it does. Yeah, UNH really out of my expectation. You see, this UNH, like FTNT, right? FTNT also can be, another example of UNH. Look at UNH after earnings, right? You don't see recovery. This was the previous earnings, not the most recent one, You don't see any recovery. It just give you like this channel like suddenly dump. And this time round, right? After earnings, at least right now is showing a little bit of recovery, but then we don't know how much it can recover. If it doesn't recover, possibly UNH is GG, really can go down a lot. Yeah, the next level, I think you can even target maybe 180, around 180. Yeah, UNH also looks like a GG for me. Hello, potato. Every time you say hi, boss, I got a feeling you write something in live chat. Okay, you are in long or short? Yeah, because I really don't know how far it can dump. Some stocks are they when they start to dump, they are really, like crazy that type. Just look at UNH. This one is almost like one straight line to downside. That's why shorting of the market is always fun. But then when you see it starts to go up, it took so long to to move the same amount of price. Yeah, definitely have to. I do think, UNH has been going down a little bit, quite long already. So I do think you'll see some recovery here first. I I don't foresee UNH, from here just dump all the way down. I do think that there will be a little bit of recovery, at least minimum. Like FTNT, where's the FTNT? Yeah, FTNT finally showing a little bit of strength. Yeah, but I also don't know, whether the strength will come back or not. It dumped 25% today. So far, I think, yeah, I don't see. Is this a big dump for. Where is it? Just now, I think I saw one. Yeah, this one doesn't look like a big dump. Okay, let's see. How much is this? Close here. That day, it dumped about 10%, only 10%, so still okay. Do you think I should get QQQ? Can up to you, up to you. It's up to you. Because for myself, I don't normally buy QQQ. I just buy VOO. Yeah, buy index, I don't think you'll go wrong anywhere. So I think either QQQ or VOO is definitely good investment. I think in the long run, QQQ actually outperforms SPY. If I'm not wrong, we do a check. Uh, yes, QQQ outperform VOO by about 2.5 times, around there. Yeah, about 2.5 times. You can definitely look into VOO. QQQ. Yeah, for me, I don't have this habit of buying QQQ. I think the expense ratio is also low. The expense ratio is 0.2%. Okay lah, consider low lah, consider low. Since the performance is so much better, 0.2%, I think it's considered low. Yes, CoreWeave looks not bad, but I don't have a confirmation to buy that stock yet. Yeah, it looks good, but then you need to be more careful, huh? Next Tuesday, after market close, there's earnings. Because without the confirmation, all I can tell you is that possibly CoreWeave can do a larger consolidation, and then it starts dumping again. Which is why, even though it broke out of the downtrend line, I'm still not interested. Okay. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Thank you. MVTS. MVTS, I still kind of think more downside though. Yeah, it looks more downside to me. The worst case scenario, you can prepare that it can come to maybe about $5.20. That's like the worst case scenario. Yeah, currently still looks like more downside. Sophie, do I have a trade or not? Sophie, I still think downside. Yeah, if SPY don't perform right, I think likely you will start to see Sophie coming down. Quite likely. SMCI. SMCI, Yeah, I only can tell you just be careful. SMCI the way it's developing, I'm scared though. Yeah, this stock right, because if you go up to the daily time frame, based on what it's doing right, if SMCI really becomes a super lousy company or something, you really are possible you can see it dump all the way, breaking this low over here. Yeah, unless you see a nice setup, you can go for longs. But I do think that when is the earnings? Earnings is Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay, it's recovering a little bit. I think you wait until next week or something, see what it does over in this area. Yeah, because right now I really can't tell whether it's going up or going down. No confirmation. MA60 ah. Wow, you use MA60 ah. Why so special? MA60. Yeah, it's a MA. I don't buy purely on the moving average only. I always take trades based on alert wave. The MAs are like, simple support for me to plus minus know whether, where's the next support, and that is more or less about it. Yeah, I don't put too much significance into it. Most importantly is wave theory. Wave theory, how it develops by next week, I should be able to tell where it will likely go to. Oh, Momo preset, huh? Okay. Yeah, that's why I was like, huh? 60? I never heard of anyone using 60 before. Yes, earnings, yes, Wiki is. Yeah, SMCI, I have not traded it for a very long time now. Yeah, so, SMCI, okay, SMCI is okay that you do a swing trade, no matter it's long or short, no issue. But then if you ask me for long-term investment, I will tell you go and buy the Magnificent Seven. You will make more money lah. No. Mainly, I do day trades, swing trades, position trades, and long-term investment. I do all four types of style. The only style that I don't do right is scalping. I don't know how to scalp. Yeah, I do majority of my trades, majority of what I do right are all swing trades. I do a lot of swing trades. Even when I do day trades, I need to see the potential of converting into a swing trades. Then I take it because I can risk a very small amount, and then when it starts to fire off, my R is fantastic that high. Then of course I also do long term investment. So when the market tanks all that, I will go and buy stocks, buy VOO, things like that. Yeah, I don't restrict myself. Okay, guys, remember, don't restrict yourself. Do everything that you can. There's a lot of ways to make money in the market. Wow, I look at all the Magnificent Seven like really GG really a bit GG guys. But why the profit is still not too bad? What happened though? Okay, because JPM is tanking. That's why it gives us some profits. Um, spy. Why look at spy I got a feeling I want to exit everything for Amazon. Okay, since we got so much position, right? Let me see. Okay, lah, I will exit everything for Amazon. Not just secure all the profits. Okay lah, we gave back a little bit, but overall it's still really good. Yeah, this month, it won't be quite easy to trade, so we need to manage our positions a little bit more faster. If not, it will be like TCM again. Wow, the 1:2 point something trade give back for nothing. Okay, guys, I'm totally out of Amazon now. Okay, wait, guys. Because I'm managing a few accounts, so I close trade is also going to take quite some time. Okay, done. Is it better to just DC interview if you really know time or don't know how to analyze like you? Yes, definitely. But if you wants to learn how to invest in VOO or QQQ at a better price, right? You can come and join my course. I teach you how to do that also. You will definitely invest at a better price rather than DC every single month when you get the money. What app or platform you use for your own trades? Okay, for trading, right? I use Momo, but for long-term investment using a cash account, right? I use Interactive Broker. So Momo is a margin account. But then because right now I also open up a new public account, so the Momo 100,000 account becomes the public account where I show people my performance every single month. Then I shift majority of my funds to Interactive Broker already. So Interactive Broker right now I have both margin and cash account. So margin is always for trading, cash account is for investment. Yeah, even you see me doing swing trades or that, you really don't need a lot of time lah. I can tell you, you only need like maybe 1 hour per weekend. Just one weekend, you spend about 1 hour, and then go and set alarms, go and scan through the charts, set alarms, and throughout the whole weekdays, right? Most likely, once you've done your homework already, you don't really have to monitor the market. Just wait for your alarm to be triggered. The reason why you see some of the viewers, my students coming here because they want to learn even more. That's why they are on live stream. They are very hardworking. They come here every day for about 2 hours, 3 hours, just to listen to me, ask me questions or that. So that way, they can expedite their learning curve by a lot. It's 2688 Sing dollar 2688. Yes, you see, Gift, right? Gift is one of the students. She's flying off to Japan. Her flight, I think she reached airport at about 9 p.m. And right now it's almost 12 a.m. She's waiting for her plane to fly to Japan at 1 a.m. She has been on the live stream since I started at 9:15. So they are the hardworking one. That's why they joined the course shortly, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. They are really quite good already. They can analyze the market very well. They even quite patient. They know when they should short, when they should long. They even send me very good setups. Because I keep asking them, go and hunt for setups. After they send it to me, I like it, we take it together. This is the community, the power of learning. Yeah, previously when they just, join the course, they come to live stream a lot. Then after that, after a while, some of them just disappear, maybe they're independent already. They don't really need my help. So as and when they have some questions, they just come on. Okay, if market is dumping, I do think that OXY might perform though. Yes, I need to have a lot of very strong soldiers, commandos. Yes, Rick, I went out everything already because I look at SPY, like, not very right. I'm not too sure. There's no confirmation, but because we have a lot of trades, right? Closing it off, I don't think it's a bad thing. Then after that, we wait for confirmation before we buy again. Because right, after earnings, Amazon has a huge dump. Possibly, this might be just a recovery and then it starts to dump again. Yeah, and then if you zoom out more, this area, right? This area possibly could be an ending diagonal. And then if you do see an ending diagonal minimally, right, you need a 3-wave correction. How many percent? I would say it depends on your own expenses also. Because how I live my life, right? I live by this 2x rule. Okay, so what I meant is that whatever I spend for that month, right? No matter is electric bill, mortgage loan, car loan, food, water, buying, goods, items, so that every single dollar that I spend for that month, I will allocate the very same amount of money, right, to put into investment. This is the way I live my life. So if 1 month I can spend 10,000, I need to think where can I find the next 10,000 to put into investment. And if I want to buy a car, right, let's say the car maybe costs 300,000 or something, I will go and think where can I find the next 300,000 to put into investment. So if I can't do that, I will not buy the car. So I've been doing this for about 8 years already for my long-term investment account. But for trading, I'm in the market for about 11 years plus 12 years. Rick, you can make me laugh or not. I think it's still fine. It's still fine. Okay, relax, Rick. Nothing to kanchong as of right now. Hey, wait, I think I missed one of the comment. Visa. I do think that Visa will drop further if SPY is tanking also. Yeah, possibly. No, TSM is not a buy for me though. I don't have a setup. Yeah, I really don't have a setup. I won't buy right now also. What's your KDA? What? Okay, nice one, Rick. 0.20. Relax, guys, relax, okay? We'll have good trades, okay? Easily can cover the Baba. The Baba, not a big issue. Oh, I took Futu. You took Baba. Okay. Okay, understood. I was thinking like, how come you like so aggressively looking at it? Photo you didn't take also. Okay. Can I have faith in China stocks lah. I have faith in China stocks. I like it. Yeah, Nan Lee, if you don't mind, right, me asking like, how much do you make a month? Yeah, I would say, if possible, try to save at least 20-30% of your income and then go and invest it. That will be, I think, the best already. If not, starting it might be difficult, right? You can try maybe 10% to 20% range and then slowly scale it up. Your Baba now $8 profit on it. Okay, okay, relax, relax. She check in long time already. Ah, save for house down payment. Okay, okay. Hit BTO income ceiling. Okay, okay, understand. So you are buying condo. Can appeal though. You can try to appeal, you know. This Hazel, you can tell lah. Hazel is a driven person. Really, she's very driven. Rick, you are also driven. I can see the the power in you guys. You ask questions. Uh, when you first join, you ask a lot of questions about this and that. You want to learn about everything. You come to live stream every single day without fail. And 2 hours, 3 hours, it's not an easy task though. Oh, nice. Nelly, are you a girl? If you're a girl, give right, give is also a girl. Yeah, I hope you all learn something from live stream. I also don't want to waste your time. Hey, not bad. The group has quite a number of girls though. It's really not bad. William. Hope someday he will join. His Tylo never help him. Always come and ask me for help. Good lah. Mainly, yeah. Initially, when I first started, I was also more aggressive in investment than any other thing. I want to be really good at it. I want to make money. I want to be financially free. Oh, you just graduated. Okay, okay, nice, nice. Huh, you just graduated and you hit income ceiling already? So that means your boyfriend or girlfriend must be making at least 5 figures a month. No commitments yet. Okay, okay, nice. Yeah, when you don't have commitments is really, especially when you are young, that's when you really should be aggressive. Don't listen to those that tell you when you are 30 to 40 is your prime years. It's totally bullshit, really. Trust me. The moment you hit your 30, many things will come in your low. Elderly parents, mortgage loan, car loan, children. You still want to be aggressive. Wait long, long. Okay, guys, give me a moment. I need to pick up this call. One moment, huh? Okay, I'm back. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I'm back. Uh, wow, guys, not bad, not bad. I look at my account. This month up about almost 5% already. Now 4.8 plus. Not bad. Not bad. Can 放刚了. Almost can 放刚了. It's how long only? We still got how many weeks? 3 weeks, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks, nice. By the way, okay, normally, right? Normally, try not to see your monthly growth. Try to see at least 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. See whether did you beat the index or not. So I like to use S&P as a measurement. So S&P, right? You can just go back to start of the year, which is somewhere here. Okay, so start of the year it started here. So if you measure, right, S&P currently is up about 7.24%. So if you already make more than 7.24% this year, you are doing well lah. But then 7.24% is very low, right? So uh, if you want to make more, right, you will definitely need to trade. Usually, if you do just investment, it's quite difficult lah. Quite difficult. Yeah, like me myself, this year I'm up about 70 over percent already. So we still have how many more months to go? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 5 months lah. 5 more months to go. So hopefully by then I can 100% ROI. So almost every single year, my ROI is about 100% around there. Yes, I need to make 12.5% every month, huh? So that, wait, last month I make how much? I forget last month I up how much? How much did I up last month? 13.6%, right? 13.6% last month. So averagely every single month I need to be up about 12.5%. Then I can double this 100K account by end of the year. So right now very close to 5%. I need to find another 7 to 8%. Where can I find that? Okay lah, we still got 3 more weeks. We can slowly hunt for trades. 1:2, or there we just close it off. It shows 12.38. Yeah, you try to press from start of the year. Start of the year to date. YTD, year to date. That one will be more accurate for this year. Wow, we missed Oracle. I didn't see Oracle. My God. Oh, wasted. Yeah, as long as you are, beating the market, you are doing great every day, I would say. Don't have to, make a lot. As long as you compound it every single year, it will be great already. Just Nanly, come and join us. you okay, a lot of them I think they paid off their school fees within the first 2 weeks or something, 3 weeks. So it will be definitely worth it because I will also be giving you a mentorship of 2 years. So 2 years I will be here lah. I will be here, all the time live streaming. I live stream every single day, unless I go for holiday or something lah. With how much base Rick and Hazel, yours, how much is your base? I don't know how much is their base though. Yeah, maybe you can ask them. Yeah, I know one of them joined. I think the base is about 20K. He also make back already. And then imagine, if you need help for 2 years, just come here. 2 years, you will learn a lot, really learn a lot. So far, I think I just started this course like 1 month. Today might be, exactly 1 month or something. And I do believe, this 1 month, a lot of them really learn a lot. That initially, I remember the first 1 to 2 weeks, the group chat is flooded with questions though. But right now, everything slowed down now. Right, they more or less already understand how I trade. Then after that, they come to live stream, just ask me how come I take this trade, how come I take that trade, to understand even better, understand my thought process. Rick, how much is your portfolio? What is included in the course? Okay, I will teach you 3 strategy. Firstly, I called it the price action strategy. So that one is more like a basic understanding of technical analysis. But then there will also be a lot of rules and guidelines to help you. So you even with the price action strategy, right, you will be able to make money in the market. But if you want to do like what I'm doing over here, forecasting the market, telling you, where price can go to, where is the direction, all that one you will learn in alert wave, because alert wave is my main strategy. Then with alert wave, you will have a very good high confidence that likely, right, where the stock will hit to, and then the profit taking level, right, the hit rate, I can tell you, is more than 90%. I have a FIB extension level where I will teach you how to use it. As long as you know how to FIB, your hit rate is 90%. It's fantastic, that type. Then after that, lastly, you will learn smart money concepts. So smart money concepts you use in combination with alert wave to find your sniper entry, to find very good entries. That's how you pick the top and bottom to long or short any positions. So just based on all this, and then if you were to join the group, right, I can show the Discord group. So alamak, why every single time like that? The moment I go to my second screen, it starts to lag. Okay, so the moment you are here, right, so you will see like all these trades. So whatever trades that I take, right, I will send it inside the group. So even if you got no time, right, you can just monitor the group, and then this group will tell you, what I buy or that, and then your job, right, is to go and analyze why I buy this, buy that. Go and see what am I looking inside the chart. Wait, it's very laggy again. Okay, then after that, I do all, I see day trades, swing trades, position trades, even long-term investment. So when I buy stocks or that, I will update here. Then after that, I also got this news tracker, so you don't have to, go and hunt what happens to the market or that. Just come to this channel called Important News. This one, right, will give you the most updated news, what's happening in the stock market. So you don't have to hunt up and down. It's a bot lah, so I paid for this bot. Then this bot is quite spammy, so you can see the time 11:12 p.m. and then another one 10:16, 10:08, 9:06, something like that. Then after that, there's these student chats. So these student chats, we have like those educational Q&A. I offer you unlimited, right, one-to-one consultation, unlimited Q&A. As long as you need help, just text inside the group, or even if you want to do a one-to-one, just WhatsApp me. You will have my own personal number. Okay, then usually I'm quite free throughout the whole day, so just give me a few hours in advance. I can attend to your needs already. Then we'll have like Q&A with the students and everything. So this is more or less about it, because I also run a signal group. So there's also people who joins for signals only. They don't want to learn, so you just follow my trades. Then if you do play Mobile Legend or that, right, you can join us, because there's quite a number of students here. They all play Mobile Legend. So after every time when I finish live streaming, I will join them for Mobile Legend. They are very pro lah. Yes, it's really, really worth it. Trust me. I have attended so many courses, and I can tell you that the course that I attended, none of them actually charged me 2,000 plus. Most of the cheapest one that I attended is 3,000 plus USD. The signal group 1 month is 99, but then the signal group you learn nothing lah. If you're young, I would recommend that you. Okay, I can tell you because for 2 years, right, you only spend like how much? Wait, let me calculate for you. Because you see, 99 times 24, right, is already 2,376. And then the cost is 266. 266 minus 2,376, you are paying like $312 for the course. And you're with me for, 2 years. 2 years, I will groom you. My goal is to groom you, not to, after you join already, I throw you to the sea or something like that. So if you want to see how I, answer my students' question, I can show it to you. Yep. So if you want to know how I reply, right, I don't reply like you one sentence or that. I reply you like that. If I see that, you are really going towards the wrong direction, I really reply you. I spend my time here typing maybe for 10 minutes or something just to reply you. Okay, so this is my commitment to all the students. I may not be, the best trader in the world. I'm just a retail trader, but I have been profitable for the past 8 years. Very profitable. Hey, a lot of questions. I mean, sorry, guys. PayPal looks good. Hey, yes, ALVV. Hello, brother. Yeah, so Rick started his account with 30,000. He already make back his school fees already. And I also want to know how is his RBLX ALVV. How are you? PayPal. Let me see PayPal. Yeah, PayPal looks good. Really, really good. Nice. Are you all looking to short? But that's the thing, we got no confirmation though. I think we wait for a little bit more. Yes, if you join the course, you get access to the signal. But then if you join the signal group, you don't get access to the student group. You get a little bit of access, but some of it is restricted. Because student group, I can tell it's really worth it because it's really fun. So far, I enjoy my time with the students. They text me, even if they take bad trades, or sometimes when I take bad trades, they come and review with me. I also learn something. It's really like a team, like a really. So far, I can tell the people that join are really, really nice. I don't have installment. I tried already, but then I couldn't apply for it. The place that I host my course, they don't allow installment. Because a lot of people ask me for installment. So I went to do some research. I asked the website developer, they say they don't have that. Oh no, it's a online video course. So you take your own time, just go by your own pace. And then when you have questions, just come to us. Say inside the group so that everyone can learn. Then if the things are sensitive, ask me for one-to-one. Can, Rick. But then we don't have confirmation for PayPal. So I think we wait for a little bit more. Because PayPal dumped quite a lot. And this consolidation, it looks quite small. I kind of think that it's not ready. It's something like QCOM, QCOM. We need something a little bit larger. Oh, Random, I think he's quite busy lately. Oh, BOTZ. Is there earnings or what? How come there's like this super huge green candle? Is my chart lagging? Yes, I think it is. How come there's no earnings? Where's all the earnings? Or there's no earnings for this stock. BOTZ. Yeah, I would also advise you to be more careful. Possibly, right? I think, it can consolidate here a little bit more before we see that upside. My boyfriend Chuan. Does the current news affect your decisions as well? Some, okay? I can tell you it's not all the news that affect your decisions. Majority of the time, I look at macroeconomics news more. Those, individual stocks, as long as it's not fraud, not scams, not financial risk, usually nothing much to be afraid of. Even downgrades, upgrades, I normally don't bother too much. Because I always say, like, if you want to know what stock to buy, look at the fundamental of the company. If you want to know when to be aggressive or defensive, look at macroeconomics. And you want to know when to enter and exit, use your technicals. And then your whole, trading system will be completed already. Nanly, don't worry lah. You can come and try, and then see how I take my trades all that. Maybe try out for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But I can tell you for sure, August and September, they are difficult months to trade. Usually these 2 months, right, is the worst month in the whole of the year. So even right now the stock market is not very good to us. So far right now I'm up almost 5% already for this month. Almost 5%. Not bad. For a very, very difficult month, you can do 5%, I think is not bad. And sure, I go at 9:15 p.m. usually every day, 9:15 p.m. And then this compound, okay, I can tell you don't need to make a lot every single month. So no, not this wrong calculator. You just use this calculator, right? Normally I target about 5% a month only. I don't even ask for super high returns. So you see, if you do 5% a month and then you just let it compound without any additional deposit, and you start with a $10,000 account. Hey, no, this one wrong. How come this is so much? Monthly, 10, not 10%, 5%. Wrong. Okay, so if you can do 5% every month, then every start of the month you just recalculate your risk, your 1% risk based on your new starting balance, right? And if you can do 5% 1 month, you just look at 1 year only. You just look over here. Let me shift this. You see, if you do 5% a month, 1 year you are making about almost 80%, just based on compounding every single month. So you don't need to target like sky high 10%, 20% a month, which can be difficult and make yourself stress. But if you can do 5% a month, isn't that good? 1 year 80%. Out there, which financial instrument gives you 80% a year? I don't think you can find any lah. The moment you can do that, I can tell you, if you have friends who do insurance in the banking line, trying to sell you some endowment plans or what, you just show them your account, they will shut up already. They will not sell you anything anymore. Yes, I'm still holding on to NEO. I'm still holding on. Yeah, but it's a little bit slow. So I'll see how it goes. If really like not moving, we can consider cutting it off. Yeah, because if the China stocks were to go off, possibly, right, Neo also might go up a little. But right now, really difficult to tell. You see, the IWM also looks like maybe can be going up. SPY, possibly, trendline support also can be going up. I have no idea what it's going to do. I think we need to wait likely until next week already. Yes, Nelly, can you drop me a WhatsApp text? Just go to my TikTok profile. Then after that, you drop me a WhatsApp text. I sent you a video and a PDF file for you to read. You can read and go and consider about it. How long? It all depends on yourself though. Some of them they have been studying for about I think 2-3 weeks, but they have not completed. There's a guy I think he studied for 3 days. He completed everything. So it all depends on your own pace because it's an online course. It's an online course. So as of right now, there's 73 lessons already. I'm still adding in. So by then I think about 80 lessons. So I never, hide anything from you or what. I give you every single thing that I know. So you come here to live, don't ask inside the group, you will learn even more. Yes, it's pre-recorded. It's pre-recorded. As long as you understand how it works, it's applicable to any type of market condition. Okay, can. Yes, Rick, yes, Tesla is still a valid triangle, but we don't have a setup. That's the thing. You know, I'm waiting for some consolidation. I might try to get in. It's still a valid one. I like it. Yeah, Neo is not moving, which is a little bit disappointing. I'm also thinking of cutting Neo. But it came into the FVG already though. Just hopefully Neo don't use the other FVG. If we use this FVG, we GG I think. Yes, it's not moving anywhere, so I'm still waiting for the confirmation. No confirmation, I will not take the trade. I'm waiting for SPY lah. SPY is the most important thing. SPY don't give me any confirmation. I'm also scared to take trades though. Today we are quite aggressive. Pre-market we took a lot of trades, and a lot of them are in quite good profit. Not bad, not bad. How to even know what stocks to look into before filtering? What do you mean by that? Nanly? Do you have a more specific thing that you want to know? Yes, it's really not bad, Rick. It's really not bad. But this month, okay, just keep reminding me, okay, book profit fast. 1:2, 1:3. We can more or less, just exit everything. Just secure profit. We wait for the next setup. Yeah, will be quite different from the past few months. Wow, Oracle can give us another setup and I like it though. Earnings for Oracle is still far away. 5 minutes, wow, 5 minutes, one straight line though. We need a confirmation on the lower time frame, at least 15 minutes or 5 minutes. If we do see that, possibly can go for a shot. Okay guys, 12:30 already. Time to go to bed now. Okay? Any final question? If not, I will end the live stream and then I will see you tomorrow. It's because of ETF. Okay. I will teach you a very, very simple method where you will only be trading those stocks likely that are inside the S&P 500. So they are very safe, they won't suddenly go bankrupt overnight. Most of them, suddenly they won't go bankrupt overnight. And then you will use the strategies that's being taught, like Elliott Wave, for that to analyze the market, and then I will teach you, rule by rule how to take trades. So when you should be shorting, you should be when you should be shorting, when you should be going for longs. It all depends on the market direction. Marvel. Yeah, there are many rules to govern, what you do. So as long as you stick to the rule, you should be fine. Yeah, because some of the students, they send me a chart also. I just ask them, do you know which rule you broke? And then the moment they realize that, right, they already okay, they understand where they did wrong. So the rules are very, very important. Have to follow. When you don't follow your own rules, like last month I'm supposed to be up about 18%, but the last week I was too aggressive, and then I didn't follow my own rule. I gave back about 4% plus. Okay, Rick, Marvel looks fantastic. Yes, definitely, Rick. Good job. Very, very good job. See, Rick joining me, I think about 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. He can start to find setups also already. Yes, can set alarm, definitely. It looks good, fantastic. I like it. And so right now, the one who sends the setup. Let me show it to you. Okay, you just look at this. Look at this chat. You see, these are the students who send the setups. You can see I'm the only one here because they send to me, I filter for them. Filter already, I send them the list again. So they are the one who hunt for all the setups. So I leash on them, Not leash, they find and then, we can all profit together. Because in trading, you have no enemy, you have no boss. The only boss is the stock market. The stock market will only punish you if you, don't follow your own trading rule. But other than that, there's no point in us arguing or fighting in the group or, doing any debating over opinions or that. There's no point doing that. We only have one common enemy, which is, we don't have enemy, it's our boss. The market is the boss. So whatever the market says, we just follow along. Yes, Adrian, nice to see you, my friend. Wow, what happened to you? Okay. Hazel, safe flight. See you soon. Enjoy your holiday. So far not yet. So far not yet because I just started this course for 1 month only. Only 1 month. Yeah, but a lot of them they came to my live stream maybe about 2 months ago. I think 2 months, 3 months, or something like that. Around there, I started live streaming. If I'm not wrong, should be May. Or then at that point of time, I never thought of running a course. I only thought of asking people to join the Signal group. And after some thoughts, I think that having students is actually so much better. Because a lot of times, when the market doesn't perform, the Signal group they don't understand what happens to the market, and then they all started to panic. But then the student group is different. They are more calm. Like the past few days, the market is quite erratic. I see most of them, they are calm. But then it's the guys who are from the Signals group. Oh, this morning, I replied their message until I want to go crazy. Whereas for the students, they understand, sometimes Donald Trump just have to, say one thing and the whole market flip around. Yes, I'm doing this full time. So I have a lot of time, okay? It's because of trading. It gives me freedom, and that freedom allows me to teach. Hey, random, what happened to you? Ah, random, you also never get triggered, ah. You want to change to Mumu liao, okay? Hey, random, use my referral code. I think I have $10 or something. Can. Nanly, if you want to meet in real life, go ahead. Drop me a WhatsApp text. If you want my number is 8827 double eight double eight. Yeah, just drop me a WhatsApp text. Yeah, I'm open to meeting, no issue. Yes, if you want the 30 days trial, if you all want to come in for 30 days, can let me know. I can send you a link. You can join in and look at the group. If you like it, then you join me lah. Yes, we can all meet together though. Okay, what happened to you guys stop loss? Random can interactive broker the stop limit after hours it will work though? Yes, stop limit can. Rick is also using interactive broker, so you can check with Rick. Rick can teach you how to use it. Okay, do you set your condition properly or not? Because your trigger price, right, must be at least a few cents or even 50 cents away from your stop price. The most important now. Or no, random, you want to give interactive broker a call? Cause it's important though. Rick, you want to send random, how you set it? After hours. Okay, okay. Yeah, if really no choice, then you come to Momo. Momo, at least after hours, there's this very good, button. The button you can just manually close it off yourself. RBLX looks like a good shot. Fourth time is the charm. Okay, spy kind of, huh? Look like it's working out though. This is not a good sign for us, my friend. Our long positions, we might need to, close off more things. Our JP Morgan suddenly performed very well. Hey, our Nvidia GG the profit almost all gone now. Okay, is there any important news coming in or not? How come the market is moving down quite... Okay, what is all this? Okay. Is it because someone is speaking today? No, Trump is speaking at 4 a.m., brother. Brothers and sister. 4 a.m. he's going to speak. My God. GG, GG. GG 了. Trump is going to speak at 4 a.m. My goodness. I think I will exit Nvidia lah. I will exit Nvidia. Yeah, if Trump says something crazy again, possibly, might not be very good though. Yeah, but OXY likely I will hold it because if not, usually the stock market doesn't perform. OXY, they sometimes go in the opposite direction. Random, if you meet this type of issue, can ask me also though. Yes, just exit, Nvidia, just take the very, very small loss and then move on first. You see the way it's dumping, I'm scared though. And then later on, Donald Trump is going to speak at 4 a.m. I'm not going to be there lah. You got show me. Yeah, I remember. You need it for tonight. Okay. Yeah, so guys, remember why I say don't be too happy because SPY makes a small mini high over here. wave structure is just, tells you that it's going to go down. No, it's quite aggressive. It's good, okay? We need the market to tank. The market don't tank. It's difficult to buy any good stock though. Okay. Random. See you shortly. See you next time. Okay, guys, I'm also going to end the live stream already. It's also getting quite late now. So, guys, thank you so much for coming to the live stream. If you want to join into the group, to try for 30 days, just drop me a WhatsApp text. And then I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Rest well. Stay safe. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye. Okay, Random. Tomorrow I will share with you my story. Okay, you guys can learn a thing or two lah. Okay. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Ciao.